This, my friends, is what breakfast cereal looks like for me. I call it nature's cereal. This combination, I'm gonna share with you what it does for me specifically. Whenever I eat this cereal in the morning, first thing in the morning, it helps with digestion. So any kind of constipation issues, it'll help. It'll definitely give you relief in that way. But my number one thing when I eat this, number one thing that I notice is the energy level. The energy level is through the roof. I literally felt like I could run a marathon. I'm telling you, it was crazy. You should definitely try it. Energy level is crazy through the roof. You'll notice as soon as you're finished.
What's up, peeps? It's your girl Queen L. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And I am making nature cereal. Okay, I have some blackberries, blueberries, pomegranate seeds, and coconut water. Let me make nature cereal. Okay, for nature cereal, I'm gonna put some pomegranate seeds. Okay, my blueberries. Adding my blueberries. Okay, I'm adding my blackberries. Coconut water. Now let's eat. Whoop, there it is. We're ready to try it out. It does look good though, don't it? Okay, I'm ready for you to try the nature cereal. It does look good.
Nature cereal. Okay, it says coconut water, blackberries, blueberries, and
pomegranate seeds.
Okay.
Saw it on TikTok.
Wow,
what is you blowing it for? I don't know. I don't know.
I use the oatmeal, the fruit.
It's cold. I added some ice to it, so it should be really cold.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Now, what are the benefits of eating this?
It's good for your digestive, and it's also an energy booster. So it's saying you don't need coffee when you eat this. You get energy.
That's what's up.
Tastes pretty good though, don't it?
Which I'm surprised, because I'm not a big fan of coconut water. This is good.
But the ice in it make it even better, don't it? Because it's good and cold.
Good and cold.
Yes, I think the guy's from Africa who did it. He said that's what he eat every single morning.
What's up? Okay. Yeah, I like this.